Welcome back to our series on dream decoding, where we explore the evolution of a thought through numbers. Today, we're diving into the number 6, the number of intuition. So, what exactly is intuition? Think of it as your soul's direct line to truth, operating from the 4th dimension, unlimited by time or space. It's that gut feeling, that sense of knowing something without having all the facts lined up. But intuition doesn't just pop out of nowhere. It's actually built upon the foundation of reasoning, which is represented by the number 5. Our subconscious mind holds a vast storehouse of wisdom gathered over lifetimes of experiences and understanding. Our power to reason fills this storehouse, and intuition taps into it. Have you ever thought of a friend, reached for your phone, and then saw a text from them pop up? Your reasoning might have known you were due to hear from them, and that logical thought opened the door for your intuition to kick in. This is very similar to how stream of consciousness writing works. By writing nonstop until you've exhausted every thought in your conscious mind, you create a quiet space. Your normally busy, aggressive conscious mind becomes receptive, ready to hear the whispers of your intuitive subconscious. One of the best times to do this is right before bed, preparing your mind for the dream messages it's about to receive. Or you can do it anytime during the day, followed by about 15 to 20 minutes of quiet meditation. Just sit, breathe, and observe whatever thoughts arise, like watching a movie. So, if the number 6 appears in your dream, it's a clear signal to pay more attention to your intuitive side. It's calling you to meditate more. A fantastic way to boost your intuition is through a brow chakra meditation. The brow chakra, located in the center of your head, near the pituitary gland, is your center for mental perception and intuition. The technique is simple. Sit comfortably with a straight back and take about 10 long, slow, deep breaths to relax. Then just place your attention on your brow chakra. Hold it there for about 15 minutes. If your mind wanders, and it will gently acknowledge the distraction, bring your focus right back to that spot. Remember, energy flows where attention goes. By focusing on your brow chakra, you are directly feeding energy into your intuitive power, strengthening it with every session. From individuality to duality, creation, stability, and reasoning, we now arrive at intuition. Each number builds upon the last, showing us the beautiful, logical progression of a thought. Are you ready to understand what your dreams are truly telling you? To get 100% accurate clarity on any dream you have, download the Cheetah Dream Decoder. The link is in the description below. Dive in and discover the wisdom waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.